the Child Life Specialist at Rocky Mountain Hospital for Children at Presbyterian St. Luke's. We are so excited to get the Cheeriodicals box. It'll be something that we have ready and together that we can help the kids that come into the hospital be able to play. And that's what kids are supposed to do, it's how they cope. So we're so excited to have these boxes so that we can provide them with the materials to play. Staff are going to be so excited to get these bags and know that people are still out there, still supporting them after this long haul with COVID. And so we really appreciate you all thinking of them as well as we're continuing to move forward in healthcare. Thank you so much, Aurinia. We so appreciate your hard work and the opportunity to share these with our kiddos.